Given that 7 sine squared plus sine cos equals 6, show that tan squared plus tan minus 6 equals 0. Hence, solve the equation 7 sine squared plus sine cos equals 6 in the interval of theta between 0 and 360, giving your answers to the nearest degree. So I've kept part A here, because it might come in handy. Here's part B. So part 1 then. Let's have a look at this. Let's divide equation 1, which I've labelled, by cosine squared. Theta gives, so sine squared over cosine squared will be 7 tan squared theta. Sine over cosine, divided by cosine squared, we get a tan. And then move the 6 over, minus 6, and we're dividing by cosine squared. And we can move that up to the top, so I'm going to write it in one fell swoop as sec squared equals 0. So this tells us then that 7 tan squared plus tan theta minus 6. Now sec squared can be replaced by 1 plus tan squared. So that tells us now then we have 7 tan squared minus 6 tan squared. That will just leave one lot of tan squared, plus our tan theta, of course. And then we expand the constant term, we get minus 6 equals 0. So there's the first part of the problem. Now we need to solve this equation to the nearest degree. So let's have a look at this. So hopefully we can factorize. Let's have a look then. Equals 0. We've got a tan and a tan. It's a quadratic in tan, isn't it? 6 will divide into 3 and a 2, but we need a plus 3 and a minus 2. This one tells us that tan theta equals 2, and this one tells us that tan theta equals minus 3. And this second part tells us from the above that x, or theta rather, is equal to 108 and 288 from the first part of the problem. So now we'll look at the second. To finish off, we need this little bit here. Solve this. Tan theta equals 2. Let's draw a circle. Let's write cast. Tan is positive here and here. Draw 2 lines, mark off alpha, the associated acute angle, and simply write tan alpha and equal to, drop the negative if there is one to drop. Shift tan 2 then. To undo the tan, you do shift tan 2, 63 degrees, so alpha is equal to 63 degrees. That was to the nearest degree. So our first solution then is theta is equal to, round to here, 63 degrees. And our next solution is right around to here. 180 plus 63 is 243 degrees. So theta can either equal one of these 4 values.